Hey Fit Pros, Jill Stoppel Davis with Excel Wellness Continuing Education here. I hope you are doing great, you and your family, clients, and your business as well in these very unique times of COVID. So I am so grateful that we have been able to pivot and serve our clients both virtually and now with more protocols in person, and I hope things are going well for you and you've been able to do the same thing. I know, unlike many businesses, we are so thankful to be able to have the technology to serve our people virtually when needed and keep them stress-free and healthy and moving and keep them strong and their immunity doing great things for them. So I wish the same for you. I'm reaching out today. Never had to do this in 12 years of the continuing education business, but as to be expected, these are different times. I'm going to be canceling the course with Tim Boris, previously scheduled for October 17th, 2020. It was called Coaching for Movement Mastery, Primal Pattern Analysis for Fit Pros. Few reasons why. Number one, the facility where we host, the KU Edwards campus conference room, they have canceled all their events for the rest of the year, so no outside events can come in. They're opening up that big ballroom we use for more classroom space for social distancing for the students at KU. So no worries there, and that happens to be the case with a lot of event spaces. So number one, we don't have a location, and then number two, most importantly, you may not know this, but Tim was going to be coming in from Canada. Canada does have stricter restrictions than the US right now, and upon his return, he would most likely have to quarantine for 2 weeks, which Tim owns several fitness studios in Canada, and I just couldn't bring myself to ask him to quarantine and to impact his business, his friends, and his family. So at this point in time, if you pre-registered at the last course or previous to seeing this video, I've hopefully already connected with you, or I've been trying to reach out. I will be issuing refunds for anyone that is paid. For anyone that has scheduled prepayment dates, those will just be canceled, and I will notify you all individually, either via a phone call, an email, or a text. You will be hearing from me. I'll be tracking you down. And then the plan is just to kind of wait and see. We have high hopes that potentially we could reschedule for next spring or summer. So definitely stay tuned. I'll be connecting with Ace and Nazem to hopefully push this course back to 2021. And that's it. We're gonna stick with the mission and the vision I have for Excel of providing really great continuing education at live events. So we're not going to take this virtual because I believe so much in the power of being live. We're just going to pause for a moment and hopefully things will get better and we'll get past this together, and before long I'll see you guys all in person again. Have a great day. Thank you for your support.